Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to share your iMovie videos into YouTube. Here are my created videos. Notice that next to the title there is 3 dots. If you click on them, you will have all these options. Click on Share Project, then you will have all these different options. Note that in order for you to upload to YouTube, you have to have a YouTube account. My YouTube account email is right next to the YouTube icon. So I'm going to click on YouTube and make sure everything is correct. I'm going to make sure this is public, or you can just have it as private, which it can also be changed under settings into your YouTube studio. Click Next. Read your terms of service. Publish. Then right here shows you that it's processing into YouTube. It'll prompt you that it's uploaded as soon as it goes through into YouTube. Another way you can share your iMovie videos is through the creation of QR codes. I'm going to open this window. You will go to unitalk.io, prompt to create your account. Notice that right here is for you to create QR codes, or you can also create applications. We're going to click on Create a QR code. When we're here, it's really simple to create one. We're using web, we're going to make sure that this is selected. Then we're going to select as static. Then if I go back to my YouTube videos to find my movie, for example this one, I click on my movie and then I wait for it to come out. Here, when I double click on it, here's my URL. So what I'm going to do is highlight it, copy the URL, go back to my Unitalk website, click right here where it says destination URL, paste the URL, then before you create the QR code, you want to make sure that is this the color you want. You can change the look, the logo, the eye of the QR code, and many other options. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Confirm. This bar is telling you that it's processing. Right here is warning you that a customized QR code might be unscannable. You want to make sure you test your QR code before you print it out or share it with someone. If it doesn't work and you share it, the other person who is going to try to scan it, it won't go through your video. Once it's created, with the help of a QR code scanner that you should previously download, or you can download it after just to make sure that it works. After you scan it and you see your video, that'll let you know that it works and you're ready to print it out. Click Save and Close. Name My Vacation in Mexico. save. There's other ways that you can make sure your QR code works. If you print it out, and then you make sure your QR code works.